In warfare, protection is everything. Whether you're on the front line in a historical battlefield or simulating tactical defense, a well-built trench can mean the difference between life and death. Here's how a frontline soldier's trench was, and still can be, built from the ground up. First, choose your location carefully. You need slightly elevated ground to avoid water pooling. The trench should provide a clear line of sight while keeping a low profile from the enemy. Use stakes and rope to mark the path of your trench. The typical frontline trench is built in a zigzag or dogleg pattern. This reduces damage if it's hit by a shell and prevents enemies from firing down the entire length. Dig the trench about 6 feet deep and 2 to 3 feet wide enough for one soldier to pass through. A two-man team can dig several feet an hour using spades or entrenching tools. Pile the excavated dirt on the side toward the enemy to form a parapet. The parapet is the front wall of the trench facing the enemy, built from soil, sandbags or logs. Behind the soldier is the Parados, a rear wall to stop shrapnel and backblast. Both should be reinforced to chest height. A fire step or firing step is a raised platform along the inner wall, allowing soldiers to step up and fire over the parapet. Cut firing slits into the parapet for protected shooting positions. To prevent waterlogging, dig a shallow sump at the bottom of the trench and line the floor with duckboards, wooden planks that keep soldiers' feet out of the mud. Proper drainage is critical to avoid trench foot and collapse. Line the trench walls with timber corrugated metal or sandbags to prevent collapse. In some areas, overhead cover is added using planks and earth, especially in rest or command trenches, to protect from artillery and weather. Behind the main firing trench, support and reserve trenches can include dugouts, small rooms carved into trench walls for sleeping or planning. Communication trenches link them together safely. Add camouflage like grass mats or netting to break up visibility from the air. A complete trench system is more than a ditch. It's a defensive network. Built right, it offers protection, mobility, and a fighting chance. Whether you're recreating history or learning survival tactics, knowing how to build one is a valuable skill.